When we talk about the pinnacle of automotive luxury, we usually think of a car that is built on an assembly line, no matter how exclusive that line might be. But the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is something different entirely. This is not just a car, it is a four-wheeled yacht, a hand-built masterpiece that signals the return of true coach building to the modern era. To understand the Boat Tail, you have to realize that only 3 of these will ever exist, each one commissioned by a client with a level of wealth and taste that transcends traditional luxury. This particular project took 4 years of collaboration between the owners and the artisans at Rolls-Royce's Goodwood factory. It is nearly 5.9 meters long, a sprawling, majestic presence that looks more like a vessel rising out of the water than a vehicle sitting on asphalt. The design is a poetic nod to the J-class yachts of the early 20th century, which the owners of this car specifically admire. From the front, the first thing you notice is a complete reimagining of the iconic Rolls-Royce face. The Pantheon grille, usually a solid, upright stainless steel monument, has been softened and integrated directly into the front end. It isn't an added piece, it is part of the bodywork itself. The lighting is equally revolutionary for the brand, with slim, horizontal LED daytime running lights forming a heavy brow above classic round headlamps, giving the car a look that is both nostalgic and futuristic. As your eyes move along the side, you see a single, continuous line that defines the entire profile. There are no harsh panel gaps or complicated creases. Instead, the body is made of large, hand-beaten aluminum sheets that wrap around the chassis like the hull of a boat. The wrap around windshield and the aft, leaning A, pillars further emphasize that nautical theme, making the cockpit feel like the bridge of a high-end motor launch. The engineering under the skin is just as bespoke as the exterior, while it shares the fundamental architecture of luxury. Aluminum space frame with the Phantom, the Boat Tail features over 1,800 completely unique parts. For instance, the audio system doesn't use traditional speaker boxes. Instead, the entire floor structure of the car is utilized as a resonance chamber, turning the vehicle itself into a giant subwoofer. This creates an immersive soundstage that feels less like listening to speakers and more like being inside a concert hall. Under the hood lies the heart of the machine, a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. It produces 563 horsepower and a staggering 900 Newton-meters of torque. But in a Rolls-Royce, these numbers aren't for racing. They are for waftability, the ability to accelerate with the effortless grace of a tidal wave. The car is whisper quiet, even at high speeds, thanks to hundreds of kilograms of sound, deadening material, and double-glazed windows. The real magic, the selling point, that makes this a $28 million machine is the rear. The back of the car features a stunning wooden deck made of Calea de Legno veneer, a material typically reserved for interiors, but specially treated here for exterior use. This isn't just wood for the sake of looking pretty. It is a functional hosting suite. At the press of a button, the 2 halves of the rear deck hinge upward in a synchronized butterfly motion, opening to a precise 67-degree angle. Inside, you aren't greeted by a spare tire, but by a treasure chest of luxury. On one side, there is a double refrigerator specifically designed to house the client's favorite Armand de Brignac champagne. Rolls-Royce actually re-engineered the climate control system of the car just for this suite, ensuring that the champagne is kept at exactly 6 degrees Celsius, the optimum serving temperature. On the other side, you'll find bespoke silver cutlery from Christofle of Paris and porcelain plates with platinum rims. The experience doesn't stop at the food and drink. As the deck opens, 2 cocktail tables rotate outward, and 2 minimalist stools, designed by Rolls-Royce and crafted by the Italian furniture maker Promemoria, are revealed. These stools are made of the same technical fiber found on the car's exterior and wrapped in the same soft leather as the interior. And if the sun is too bright during your roadside picnic, a unique parasol emerges from the center of the rear deck. This isn't your average umbrella. It features a telescopic movement and a whimsically inverted canopy that provides effortless shade. The engineering required for this rear section alone is staggering, involving 5 separate electronic control units and a dedicated wiring harness just to make sure the hosting experience is as seamless as the driving experience. Inside the cabin, the level of personalization is almost overwhelming. The interior of the first Boat Tail features a dual tone blue theme, with the front seats finished in a darker oceanic blue and the rear seats in a lighter shade. The leather has a soft metallic sheen, and the dashboard is a masterclass in minimalism. The center of the dashboard features a one-of-a-kind timepiece. The owners, who are collectors of both cars and fine watches, collaborated with the House of Bovet 1822 to create 2 reversible his and hers watches. These can be worn on the wrist or slotted into a specially designed titanium holder on the dashboard to serve as the car's clock. This took 3 years of research and development alone. Every detail, from the guilloche pattern on the instrument dials to the Mont Blanc pen resting in a hand-crafted case in the glove box, tells a story of a life well lived. The second Boat Tail, revealed at Villa d'Este, tells a completely different story. Inspired by the pearling industry, its exterior is a shimmering blend of oyster and soft rose, with large white and bronze mica flakes that change color depending on the light. The rear deck on this version is finished in royal walnut, chosen for its ability to mature and change color over time, eventually matching the cognac tones of the car's bonnet. This level of storytelling through materials is what separates Coachbuilding from standard luxury. It's not just about what the car can do, it's about what the car represents. Ultimately, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is a counterpoint to the idea of industrial luxury. It isn't something you buy off a showroom floor. It is a legacy piece. It's a vehicle that exists because 3 individuals wanted to push the boundaries of what a car could be. It combines the engineering of a modern supercar with the soul of a vintage yacht and the precision of a Swiss watch. It is a celebratory object, a machine built for the joy of the journey and the beauty of the destination. Whether you're looking at it as a feat of mechanical engineering or a work of art, there is no denying that the Boat Tail stands alone at the very top of the automotive world. It is a reminder that in an age of mass production, there is still a place for the hand-crafted, the slow, and the truly unique.